Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video class. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover MCQ on pronoun part 6. So there is a separate playlist of MCQ grammar series for all competitive exams. The link of which will be available right in the description box. So we've already covered five videos on it, starting with the MCQs on nouns, and presently we are covering the series on pronouns. So what are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. So in these questions you have to choose the correct alternative. Let's get started. Question number 51 before you is, either Numra or Rahima forgot to take dash purse, and the options are her, hers, their and their. Either Numra or Rahima forgot to take dash purse. Look at these options and try to find out an error. So if you will observe closely, you will observe that there are two names and these names are of female, Numra or Rahima, right? So look at the options: her purse, hers purse, their purse or their purse. Of course we are talking about one at a time, so we will be using her purse. So the correct option is option number A, her. Question number 52 is, it was dash whom you met last night. It was dash whom you met last night. Observe it carefully and try to find out the correct alternative, and the options are my, me, I and mine. And you have to choose the correct alternative. So here with whom, no, we always use the first person subjective pronoun. So the first person subjective pronoun in these option are is option number C, I. So I is the correct answer. Question number 53 is, all dash glitters is not gold. We have been very well acquainted with this proverb, so I think you know the correct answer. It's very easy. All dash glitters is not gold. Look at the option: the, that, same and these. So the correct answer is option number B, that. All that glitters is not gold is the correct answer. So that is the correct answer. Question number 52 is, the jury agreed in dash its opinion. The jury agreed in dash its opinion. My bad. So the answer is already there. I'm really sorry, right? So the correct answer is already understood, that the jury agreed in its opinion. Option number B, it's already written. So therefore we have used its for jury, because jury as an entity, for that we use the pronoun its, right? So option number B, its, is the correct answer. Question number 55 is, Amanda is the girl dash book is with me. So have a look at these alternatives: who, whose, whom and which. Read it carefully and try to find out the correct answer in these questions. Okay, so we are talking about the possession of Amanda's book. So for possession you use which relative pronoun? For possession, for showing possession, we use whose. Amanda is the girl whose book is with me. So option number B happens to be the correct answer. Question number 56 is, how long have you and Ruchi known dash? How long have you and Ruchi known dash? Have a look at these options: one another, each other, everyone or none of these. So for two people right close together, we use the pronoun that is each other, right? So how long have you and Ruchi known each other. So option number B is the correct answer. How long have you and Ruchi known each other? Question number 57th is dash of the four candidates are fit for the post. Dash of the four candidates are fit for the post. Have a look at these options here. Neither, no, none, either. Have a look at these options and try to find out the correct answer. So when you use of plus another adjective and noun, there is always none that we use, right? So none of the four candidates are fit for the post. You have to analyze the meaning of the sentence and then try to find out the correct option among these options. Question number 59th is he is a friend dash I trust most. So have a look at these options: him, whom, which, and who. So if you will observe carefully, you will find that a friend in this position of a objective noun, right? So we will use an objective relative pronoun for the same. So he is a friend. He is a friend whom I trust the most. Option number B is the correct answer. Here we will use an objective pronoun. Question number 60 is being dash a very hot day, we remained indoors. Being dash a very hot day, we remained indoors. Have a look at these options: it, that, this, which. So we are describing a day, and for day we will use it, right? So being it a very hot day, we remained indoors. Option number A is correct. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning, keep growing, keep spreading positivity and love wherever that you go.